and there is a fire, which kind of water will be more effective in putting out the fire? Cold water or hot water? And reason also you have to give it. Cold water and hot water is more effective in putting out the fire. क्या होगा बोलो? You always think little differently. Oh, hatke. The answer will be hot water. But think, why it is hot water more effective? Hot water? Hot water? Hot water, no. Cold water definitely will absorb more heat, but it will take a longer time. Hot water, already hot, no? It will reach the boiling point faster than the cold water. Once the advantage of bringing them to the boiling point, no, because at the time of boiling point, it will, the value which is very high, 2260 joule of heat. Which is the boiling point in the heat, the value which is very high. Put off quicker. Quicker or slower? That is the idea, no? Quicker or faster you want to put off. Cold water definitely will be able to do the same, and it has the ability of even absorbing more quantity of heat, but it is going to take longer time. It will slowly come to the boiling point, and then only it will be latent heat, it will be absorbing from the fire. Then only the fire will lose heat and will be put off. So which is better in control, effective, more effective, I'm saying. Question was not that which will absorb more heat. The question was effective. That means effective in the sense that you want to put out the fire quicker. So hot water, huh? Be careful, huh? Write down. You're not writing. Just one line, write down. Hot water is more effective. Hot water is more effective than cold water, in putting off a fire, because it reaches boiling point faster to drive away the heat. The heat from the fire, to drive away the heat from the fire in the latent heat, in the form of latent heat. Okay. So that is it.